Adjusting button styles in Hostinger's website builder is crucial for enhancing user interaction and guiding visitors through your site effectively. This tutorial will walk you through the process of customizing button styles to make them more appealing and functional. Log into Hostinger's website builder and navigate to the page containing the buttons you want to adjust.
Select the button you wish to customize. This will typically activate a menu or toolbar with various styling options. Modify the button size and shape. Adjust the width, height, and border radius to make the button stand out or blend in with your site's design as needed. Choose a compelling color for your button. The color should be distinct yet harmonize with your site's overall color scheme. Ensure it draws attention and indicates it's an interactive element. Update the button's text style. Select a font, size, and color that's easy to read and encourages action. The text should clearly communicate what will happen when the button is clicked.
Add or refine hover effects. Hover effects like color change or animation can provide visual feedback and encourage clicks. Ensure the effect is noticeable but not distracting. Adjust the button's alignment and spacing. Ensure it's positioned prominently and has enough space around it to stand out without cluttering the design. Test the button's functionality and check its responsiveness on different devices and screen sizes. Finally, save your changes and publish the updated website.
Your buttons now have an improved style and functionality, providing a better interactive experience for your visitors.